Welcome to this short video covering employee schedules. To add an employee schedule against a customer for a weekly piece of work, so say you are doing some cleaning on a Monday to Friday basis, first thing we need to do is find the customer. So we can search for our customer, select the customer record. From here we can view the schedule details. In the top portion of the screen we can see the details for the contract. So these are the details that you've agreed with the customer, contract start date and end date, and the hours that have been contracted. You can see here we've got 4 hours Monday to Friday with different times for starting the work. You can also see at the bottom here we've got an existing schedule for David Ainsworth covering 2 hours of the 4 hours. So really we need to add another employee to cover the other 2 hours. To do this we can add a weekly schedule, and here we can enter the name of the person that's going to complete the schedule, so say Katie in this case. We've got the start and end date. These dates relate to the start and end date of the contract but can be changed to any date that you need. And then we've got the contracted hours shown here and the employee hours here, so we can change these down to 2 as we've already got David doing some work for us already. So once we've added our time, we can check the start time, we can add a pay rate if we need to here. This will allow us to use the payroll functionality within the system, and then we can add the weekly schedule here. Once the schedule's been added, we'll be able to see it in the employee schedule calendar, and we'll also be able to see it against the employee record as well. What it's actually now doing is creating all the schedules from this start date to this end date, and you can see now that the record has now been added. So we've now got Katie planned from the 17th of the 17th of the 7th all the way up to the 30th of the 6th. And if we now go to the schedule calendar, we can see that Katie is now planned to complete the work for the dentist as shown here. If you need any more information regarding adding weekly schedules, please get in contact. Thanks very much and have a great day.